Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Starex headlights. First, park your vehicle on a level surface, approximately 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and your fuel tank is about half full, as these factors can affect headlight aim. Gather your tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape. This preparation ensures an accurate and effective adjustment process for optimal visibility. Now let's mark the wall. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlight. Transfer these measurements to the wall, creating horizontal lines for each headlight. Next, measure the distance from the center of your vehicle to the center of each headlight. Use these to mark vertical lines on the wall, aligning with the center of each light. These marks will serve as your reference points for precise adjustment. With your reference points set, it's time to adjust. Locate the adjustment screws, usually found on the back or top of the headlight assembly. There are typically 2 screws per headlight, one for vertical adjustment and one for horizontal. Turn these screws to move the beam pattern. For low beams, aim them so the top edge of the brightest part of the beam is slightly below your horizontal mark and centered vertically. After making your adjustments, take your vehicle for a short drive to confirm the headlights are properly aimed and provide clear visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Double-check both low and high beams to ensure they work in harmony. Remember, proper headlight alignment is crucial for safety. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.